Bubble, IO versus Cursor. Which AI coding tool wins? Choosing the right AI coding tool can transform your development speed and creativity without complex setups. Bubble, IO offers no-code visual building, while Cursor focuses on AI-assisted code generation. Bubble, IO and Cursor are powerful AI coding tools but serve different purposes. Bubble, IO lets you build full web apps visually without coding. Cursor enhances traditional coding by generating and suggesting code snippets using AI assistants. The core difference is no code versus AI code completion. Bubble, IO is a no-code platform designed for creating web applications visually. It allows users to drag and drop elements, design workflows, and connect databases without writing code. The AI features support automating repetitive tasks and optimizing app logic. Bubble, IO works through a browser-based interface, making it accessible without installation. Its strengths lie in rapid prototyping, ease of use for non-developers, and building complex apps without traditional coding. However, it may have limitations for developers needing fine-grained control or custom back-end logic. It's ideal for entrepreneurs, product managers, and designers who want to bring ideas to life quickly without deep programming knowledge. According to Bubble, IO's official site, it integrates with APIs and supports responsive design, making it versatile for many applications. Cursor is an AI-powered coding assistant focused on accelerating developers' workflow by generating, completing, and suggesting code snippets. It integrates directly into code editors, providing contextual AI suggestions based on the project's language and framework. Cursor uses advanced machine learning to understand code context, enabling it to write functions, debug, and even refactor code. Its strengths include improving coding speed, reducing errors, and supporting multiple programming languages. Limitations include dependence on the quality of AI suggestions and the need for developers to review generated code carefully. Cursor is best suited for professional developers and programmers who want to boost productivity while maintaining full control over their codebase. Cursor's official site highlights seamless integration and intelligent code generation as key features that enhance everyday coding tasks. Bubble. IO and Cursor serve different user needs with distinct trade-offs. Bubble. IO excels in no-code app creation, perfect for users with little or no programming skills who want to build web apps quickly. Its visual approach limits customization but speeds up development dramatically. Cursor, on the other hand, targets experienced developers who write code daily and want AI to assist with complex coding tasks. It offers precise, context-aware code generation, but requires coding knowledge to validate AI outputs. In real-world use, Bubble is ideal for startups or teams prototyping new ideas fast, while Cursor fits software engineers looking to optimize coding workflows without sacrificing control. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize ease of use or coding flexibility. Choose Bubble, or if you want to build fully functional web apps visually without coding, especially if you lack programming experience or need rapid prototyping. Cursor is the better choice for developers seeking AI-powered code assistance to speed up programming while retaining full control. It fits well into existing workflows and supports diverse coding languages, making it essential for professional developers aiming to enhance productivity and code quality.